Welcome to the future of earning. In 2026, the game has completely changed. Are you ready to adapt? People are making money from their laptops, their phones, and even while they sleep. This is not a dream. This is the new reality. The old ways of making money are dying, and if you don't adapt now, you'll be left behind. I'll show you the exact methods beginners are using to earn 50,000 rupees to 3 lakh rupees per month. The first major shift is understanding the new rule of money. In 2026, money follows skills, not degrees. The top earners are not the most educated or talented. They are the ones who know how to use AI, the internet, and attention. If you have a phone and Wi-Fi, you have more power than a full office had a decade ago. The real question is, which path will you choose? Let's dive into Method 1, AI freelancing, the easiest way to start earning online. Businesses are desperate for people who can create content, edit videos, manage social media, and build simple websites. With AI, you can deliver these services 5 times faster without being an expert. Just be one step ahead of your client. Start on Upwork, Fiverr, or by messaging local businesses. Your first 10,000 rupees online changes your mindset forever. Next up is Method 2, faceless content. You don't need to show your face to make serious money anymore. Faceless pages are making lakhs per month using YouTube automation, Instagram theme pages, and short-form videos. They earn from ads, affiliate links, and selling digital products. One viral video can make more than a month of your salary. Method 3 is where real freedom begins, creating and selling digital products. The concept is simple. Create once and get paid forever. You can sell ebooks, Notion templates, online courses, study notes, or resume templates. This offers real digital freedom. No office, no boss, and no inventory. Just your knowledge, converted into income. Finally, Method 4, and your biggest advantage if you live in India, earn in dollars. When you work online for global clients, you don't earn in rupees, you earn in dollars. A small project that pays $300 is over 25,000 rupees. That's the power of remote skills and the exchange rate. Now, let me be honest. None of this works if you don't take action. None of this works if you keep scrolling, keep overthinking, or keep waiting for the perfect time. The people winning in 2026 are not smarter than you. They just started earlier. If you're serious about making money in 2026, start with one skill, stay consistent for 90 days, and document your journey. Your future self will thank you. And if you want a step-by-step roadmap for beginners, hit the subscribe button, because this channel is all about money, freedom, and growth. I'll see you in the next video.